On February 7th, 2023, police were called to a report of a domestic assault involving a stabbing.
My car is
Talk to me no type of way when you don't know.
Get your hands on the ground. Do it now. Get on the ground.
No, I'm not putting my hands nowhere. If you're going to walk up to me, you're going to talk to me and have a civil conversation. What
Stay there. Get her hands.
Ashley!
Get her hands.
He literally know. Y'all walked away from the situation. Y'all let him walk away. I'm literally dripping blood, dog. I'm dripping blood.
Are you injured at all?
I am.
Okay, how?
I am. My hand
Okay.
is bleeding. And y'all let him walk away from the scene.
Okay. Where is he at?
He's gone.
Okay.
He literally left. He called the police because of the that he started and I kicked him out. This is my room.
Was there a male walking on
He
Central?
is. He's going down Central.
You want to see?
He's going down Central.
Look, we got into a relationship. That person, I mean, she's not a bad person.
As officers began the stabbing investigation, there would quickly be conflicting accounts as to exactly who possessed the knife.
He literally attacked me. Can I stand up, shorty? Please let me breathe. Please, can you? No, that's fine. I will corroborate, but can you please let me stand up? Because I can't breathe.
Yeah, but here's the deal. You gotta take a breath. I'm gonna search you.
That's fine. Do whatever you feel like you
Do you have
need to
anything
do.
sharp on you?
No, I don't. I have maybe a vape in my pocket or a lighter or something.
No knife though?
No, I don't have anything on me.
Every time we have an argument, she comes at me with she always grab a knife. Now, the result is that.
I know you had a Band-Aid on that. Is that from right now?
Yeah, it just happened. I just called 911, and they heard everything.
Do you want medical attention?
No, I'm good.
No,
I'm
you're
good.
That's why I wanted my best friend
Now stand up.
to come to the door because he called you guys because I kicked him out. And you want to, you know what? No. Matter of fact, no. You can hold me, but him, he got to let me go.
All right.
He has to let me go.
Yeah, you let go.
And you know what? Your tasers, you can take them out of me too.
Okay.
Take your tasers out of
Hey,
me.
so you
No, you can talk to me.
Yeah, but you gotta stop yelling.
And it's fine. But I feel some type of way because you motherfuckers wasn't trying to listen to me when I told you. This is literally my room.
So what happened right before we were getting here?
Not because she's threatening me like, oh, you gotta get the out and slamming shit. All the things on the floor is her. And I told her, I was like, look, I am angry for the simple fact, and listen, for the simple fact that every time, even my sister had told her, you can't be putting your personal shit on Facebook.
Can you just give me a real brief account of what you saw?
I didn't really see enough, just them arguing a little bit, and then when I was in the car was when it went wild.
Okay.
We were literally about to leave.
So you weren't even in the room when things went down in here?
No.
Okay. You didn't see what happened with the knife?
No.
Okay.
This room is in my name and I paid for this room. Okay. He called you guys because I kicked you out, or because I kicked him.
Yelling, or
no,
I'm not.
You can do whatever you feel like is necessary, but you need to understand where I'm coming from. Like, this man literally called you guys. He sat in both of our faces and called you guys because I kicked him out.
Sure.
And y'all didn't even give me the chance to even tell y'all what was going on before y'all decided to tase me.
The thing was that she took it out of proportion and then she grabbed a knife, she just slinged at me. So when I'm over here like,
so kind of out of the blue, she just swung at you like
and
that?
then when I see my hand, I'm like, okay, yeah. So you just stared at me. She's like, I don't give a because you a big. And I'm like, okay, cool. So
y'all so full of shit. Can he go? Can he go? Can he go? Can he get the away from me, please, officer?
I need
I'm
him
sorry.
for a second, then
I'm
he's
sorry.
gonna walk away, okay?
I genuinely just want him to walk away from me.
Okay.
I want him to get the away from me, officer.
You need to stop yelling for a second.
I know, and I know that it's frustrating to you, but I want him. I personally want him to get the away from
I
me.
need his
I
phone.
will talk to you.
This is gonna hurt a second, okay?
That's fine.
You ready?
Okay, I have a high pain tolerance.
All right.
Okay, did she come back inside? Did you go out to her?
Nah, she locked the door and she was like, blah, 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 blah. Like, I'm tired of a man, blah, blah, blah. And I'm looking at her like, listen.
So she came back inside and locked the door?
Yeah.
And you were still in the bathroom when she came in and locked the door?
No, I was obviously in front of her because she's like confronting me and she's trying to post off on me like you know, like
At the door.
yeah.
All right. So right now you are detained
That's fine.
because when police show up for a possible stabbing, you're yelling at us, not listening to
That's
us.
fine.
We did not
That's
get it.
fine,
That's
and
why
I
you got
completely
pictures.
understand.
All right. Okay.
But it just bothers me because not one single one of you decided to question anything about the situation. Y'all just ran off of what he said. And this, I'm sorry, I'm just really upset.
Okay. You gotta
Because
keep your voice
he
down for me,
said,
okay?
that's fine,
All right.
that's fine.
I'm gonna just have you sit in the car. You can keep your feet out, but for the moment, you're just gonna sit in here.
And when she grabbed the knife, she went like this. So when I look at my hand, obviously I thought it was just a scratch, but it's a big ass hole.
Yeah, I've got blood on me from you too now.
Shit, my bad.
You're good. That was whatever. Hey, did you ever give her consent to do that to you? I know
No.
it's a silly question, but we gotta ask
No.
it. Did that cause you pain or hurt?
I mean, it's a cut.
Yeah.
You know, I'm not saying she's a bad person, but it's like she obviously got some trauma.
Right.
And then when I call 911, I'm trying to talk to the operator because she threatened me to call 911. She said, look, I'm going to call the police and escort your fucking ass out. That's what she said. She said, I'm going to call the police and escort your fucking ass out. So when I call the police, the operator, 911 operator, is hearing everything. She's hearing everything.
When he was going to work today, my best friend came over. That's actually the one that's in the room right now. And I've been hanging with her all day today. Just casually hanging with each other. He got up early tonight and we weren't here. I was not here when he got home. So he called me. He's talking all crazy or whatever. We literally, I told when Ashley will tell you that herself, when he came in the room, I told her to just disregard him.
So how did how did he get into the room? You guys let him?
That's my boyfriend.
Okay.
Yeah, like we're staying in this room together.
So even though he's kind of threatening you all day long, you still let him inside?
He let himself in.
Okay.
He let himself in.
She coming at me like, oh, I'm tired of your shit.
I'm tired of
I'm
your
like,
shit. Did she
yeah.
say that exactly?
Yeah, and I'm looking at her like, if you're tired, I'm tired as well because I've been to a bad relationship before. And unfortunately, nowadays, they have a certain perspective on how men should be and how men should treat women. She married some dude. It's like she's still married.
We didn't acknowledge him. We didn't speak to him. We didn't say anything. And I told her, actually, I was like, I know that he's upset, but just act like he's not here. Because I already know he's going to take it out on you, and he's going to take it out on me too.
Why would you put yourself in that situation?
Stupid.
Okay.
Stupid,
So,
and that was...
She's married?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys are dating though?
Yeah, we're dating.
Okay.
She had to fall out with her spouse, whatever. She hit up my sister saying that I was a psycho, blah, this and that, and I was a punk. And I'm like, you don't gotta call my family for shit.
It's been a constant thing with me and him. Because he has it so far in his head that I'm a cheater and I'm just constantly cheating on him and I'm just doing some whatever. And so the fact that I was not here when he got here, he took it out on me. He started throwing my things around in the room. He's slamming things around in the room. He threw a bottle at the front of Ashley's car when we were trying to leave.
What kind of bottle?
A beer bottle.
Okay.
He threw the bottle at the front of her car when we were trying to leave. Like, I honestly grabbed my bag, I grabbed my charger, I grabbed everything that I needed because I was gonna go spend the night with her.
We were sitting here just having a conversation, and it sounded like he threw something around, like in the bathroom or something, and like glass shattering. But I didn't think there was any glass in there to shatter, really. So I don't know what was happening, but he was definitely cranky.
So she locked the door. You guys were still arguing?
Yeah.
For like how long before the knife came out?
It just happened quickly, also.
Okay, that quickly. Does she have the knife on her person already, or she?
No, the knife was right there on the table. When she grabbed the knife, she swung it at me.
So picked it up and swung it at you?
Yeah.
And caught
and,
you?
Yeah.
Okay.
And that's it.
See your hands cut.
And then,
How did that happen?
because he grabbed the knife,
Okay.
he grabbed the knife, and then as he has the knife in his hand, that's why you all probably maybe heard me screaming. Because he was sitting in the bathroom, calling you guys, telling you guys that I stabbed him and that I was threatening him because I kicked him out. I told him that he needs to grab his and he needs to get the out.
Okay.
Because I'm tired of having to go through this, you know.
And so how did the hand get cut?
Through the knife that he had.
But how? How did that happen?
He had it in his hand and I tried to grab it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So what kind of knife are we talking about?
He grabbed me by my hair, not my hair, but my scarf, and he was throwing me around the room. And then he called you guys.
Okay.
That's why I was screaming in the background, like, he is literally lying. That's why I was so upset when you guys walked up on the room.
You got 22 messages, like, you know what I mean? And she's like, no, I'm not a whore, no, I'm not this and that. But I'm like, ain't nobody saying that. But then when I have one friend, it happens to be a female, that I add on Facebook, I get court-martialed. I got a piece of shit because we met. If I'm in trouble, I'll suffer the consequences. Officer, I just want to die, to be honest.
Yeah, no, I don't want you to be
You're not.
We've been spending time with each other, like we've just genuinely been spending time with each other.
Okay. Were you guys drinking before all this happened, or like during it happened, or what?
This was before everything.
Okay.
It was before everything, you know. I already knew that he was upset, but I did not think that it was this far gone.
Okay.
When he came home, he got off early. Normally he gets off at 10 o'clock and he doesn't make it here until 10:20, 10:30-ish. This was like 9:30.
Why you didn't call us?
Because I thought that he was going to leave.
Okay.
I genuinely thought that he was going to leave civilly.
All right. Hang out with him for 1 second. I'm going to get you a Band-Aid, all right?
Unfortunately, she's trying to get the divorce, but the man doesn't want to give her the divorce. But that's their problem, officer. That's nothing with me.
So you guys are like in an intimate relationship.
It's
How long total do you think you lived together? Like between wherever?
I consider like a month and a half, 2 months.
Total what, month and a half, 2 months?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So I don't want you getting mad. But it sounds like you have a warrant.
No, I don't.
You do,
because
so.
I was just talking to him. So the warrant that I supposedly have, my PO, Mandy.
Yep.
She messaged me. She let me know the situation. I called Wood County. I did make a payment, and they said as soon as I make a payment, then the warrant will be squashed.
Okay.
I just have to call them and confirm what's going on.
All right. Well, we
with
can
that
look into that. We
situation.
just have to go to the PD to do all that.
Yeah.
So the other officers are going to come grab you.
Yeah.
My guess is.
Yeah, so these are fresh here and here.
Yeah, I see he's got a couple beer bottles. I wonder if he's trying to hide those or something. But
Yeah.
he claims that she had the knife the whole time, which I guess I tend to believe. Their stories are very consistent up until what happened in the room with the stabbing. And
Okay.
his is pretty believable. She was coming from behind the dumpster area, so I wonder if she just like chucked it over the fence or if there's still a fence back there.
Oh, I'll go look in that area then, because she's claiming that he left with the knife.
Yeah, I don't know why that would be.
But there's a blood trail. He's not bleeding that bad at all. She's pissing blood. There's a blood trail through the parking lot all the way out to the sidewalk, which suggests that she went walking out after him. Why would you chase after somebody who just tried to stab you with a knife, right?
Yeah. No, I'm gonna hook her for
Yeah.
reckless endanger and all kinds of stuff. I think so.
Do you remember her?
Yeah, she's
South
from.
Locust.
I asked her about that. She said it wasn't.
That's
so.
her.
All right, hey, I wish you the best of luck. You seem like a very smart girl. You seem like you got a lot going for you, and just don't let
Don't make me cry. I'm a crybaby.
Okay,
Get on my face.
well, don't let loser dudes f up your life, okay?
Well, that's been my life.
Well, but it doesn't have to be, right? It doesn't have to be your future. It may have been your past, but it doesn't have to be your future, okay? You get it, girl. All right. Good luck to you.
Thank you.
And I promise I won't run up and tase you if I ever see you again.
As of the time of publication, court records indicate the suspect failed to appear in court and a warrant was issued for her arrest. The suspect was charged with battery, disorderly conduct abuse, and resisting an officer. She is innocent until proven guilty in a court of law.